Craftsy is an online platform where you can learn basic to advanced techniques for fabric and yarn crafts, baking, drawing, and more. In this video, we'll show you how to access, how to browse, and how to watch courses from your browser. First, visit MississaugaLibrary.ca. Under the Research and Learn header, click Online Courses. Now click the Craftsy tile. You will now be asked to sign into Libby through libbyapp.com, a web-based version of the Libby app. Go ahead and click Sign in with my card. Now click Mississauga Library. Enter your card number and your PIN and click Sign in. Now click Next. Now click Open to open Craftsy. Now click Get a 7-day pass. When your pass expires, you can repeat the previous steps to get a new 7-day pass. Now click Continue. Now you're on the Craftsy homepage. If you scroll down on the homepage, you'll see a number of featured and popular courses. If you'd like to browse through all the topics, click Browse on the top right corner. Go ahead and select a topic of interest. When you're browsing, you may see courses with a cost associated with them. Just note that not all courses are included in your Craftsy Pass. To browse all free courses, you can select Sort by, Price Low to High. On the left-hand side, you can further filter your results by content topic. And lastly, if you know exactly the type of class you'd like to take, you can always use the search bar. When you found a class you like, go ahead and select it. Classes will typically have multiple modules that cover different topics. You can jump ahead to a topic here, otherwise you can click the play button on the viewer. When playing your video, you'll find additional controls at the bottom of your player, which include playback speed, closed caption, picture-in-picture, resolution, and full screen. Underneath the player, you may find bonus material that you can download as a companion to your class. This concludes our video on Craftsy. If you have any questions, send us an email at support.library@mississauga.ca.